Insightful, trustworthy, and engaging, like a friendly expert explaining a complex topic. And economics, how banks work. Have you ever wondered how banks actually work? Let's imagine a busy kingdom of ants. In this world, ants work tirelessly all summer to collect precious grains of rice. For an ant, a grain of rice is more than just food. It represents money and the hard-earned fruit of their labor. But carrying rice around is risky. The ants worry about mold, pests, or even thieves. That's why the ant bank was created. It promises to be the safest vault in the kingdom to protect their wealth. The ants deposit their rice and breathe a sigh of relief, thinking their grains will just sit safely in a box. But here's the secret. The bank doesn't just let the rice sit there. If the rice stays still, it doesn't grow. Instead, the bank takes the rice from Ant A and lends it to Ant B. Ant B uses these grains as capital to invest, maybe to build a modern new nest or expand the foraging tunnels. To borrow that rice, Ant B promises to pay it back with a few extra crumbs. These crumbs are the interest, the cost of borrowing, and the profit that keeps the bank running. The ant bank acts as the middleman, connecting those who have extra rice with those who need it to grow the colony. Now, a strange paradox happens. Even though the rice has been lent out to build a nest, when Ant A checks their account, the bank says, "Don't worry, your rice is still here." This makes the little ant brain confused. How can the rice be in two places at once? The answer is trust. The entire system runs on the absolute belief that the bank will always have enough rice if they need it back. However, this stability is fragile. If a rumor spreads and every ant suddenly rushes to the bank to withdraw their rice at the same time, this is what we call a bank run. Since the rice is already out on loan, the bank can't give it all back at once. The vault goes up in flames, the bank collapses, and the entire ant kingdom falls into a deep crisis. And that is how real-world banking works. It is a powerful engine that drives the economy by keeping capital moving, but it is also a system built entirely on faith. As long as there is trust, the kingdom prospers, but if trust vanishes, the whole system disappears.